Hello friends, welcome to my second tutorial introduction of Scratch. Scratch is a browser based application. This is a main Scratch framework. You can download from here on your PC or laptop. These are the inbuilt projects where you can use and customize these projects and make animation, games and storytelling. From here you can create your projects. Join Scratch or download from here. From Join Scratch you can create your password or login this. I've already joined the Scratch, and this is the main framework. These are the block platelets where you can perform your uh, scripts behavior like motion, sounds. This is the script area where the scripts will perform. This is stage area, and this is sprites, and this is background. From where background you can change or download from Google. This is sprite stage area. You can add the position of sprite. These are the sprites or character, you can say. You can use your characters or sprites from here. And this is our block platelets: motion, sound, looks, operators, sensing, sound, everything you can use. These are the block platelets. Hold the block scripts you can use to create your project like motion, looks, sound, sensing, control, operators. These are the costumes you can choose and add or create your web sprites costumes from here like this. You can add your text also. You can add your sounds from here or record your sound. There are many sounds are inbuilt: animal sounds, forest sounds. I'm using animal sound. Now you can start your project from here. Just drag and drop your blocks from script area. First I'm using click block. I want that my cat move 10 steps, so I use 10 these blocks. You can add your background from here and set the position of script. Now I want it go to X and Y position. Both are in minus, so this script will move forward. This block I'm changing the value of X and Y in minus to move my sprite in forward direction. Now I'm using repeat blocks. According to these blocks my sprite will perform. Now you can add sound over here. When you click the flag button, the sprite will perform action. And in yellow, your blocks will appear in yellow. Like this. Red button is stop the project. I'm using say this button. My cat will say hello in every 2 seconds. You can change the value of seconds also according to it. See, like this. Like this you also make your project. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. And stay tuned for my next part. Bye bye.